ओंटारियो ਦੇ ਲੌਂਗ ਟਰਮ ਕੇਅਰ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ ਮੈਰੀਲੀ ਫੁਲਟਰੌਨ ਨੇ ਹਾਲ ਹੀ 'ਚ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕੀਤੇ ਗਏ ਬਜਟ 2021 'ਚੋਂ $5.1 ਮਿਲੀਅਨ ਦੇ ਨਿਵੇਸ਼ ਨੂੰ ਉਜਾਗਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਫੰਡ ਲੌਂਗ ਟਰਮ ਕੇਅਰ ਸੈਂਟਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿਸਥਾਰ ਲਈ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਓਟਵਾ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ 'ਚ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਨਵਾਂ ਕਲੀਨਿਕ ਖੋਲ੍ਹੇ ਜਾਣ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਵਟਾਂਦਰਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਲੌਂਗ ਟਰਮ ਕੇਅਰ ਸੈਂਟਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿਸਥਾਰ ਲਈ ਬਜਟ 2021 ਅਹਿਮ ਭੂਮਿਕਾ ਨਿਭਾਵੇਗਾ।
So on Wednesday, you all know that Minister Bethan Falvey presented our government's 2021 budget, which focuses on two vital priorities: protecting people's health and protecting our economy. And this budget has measures that protect the health of all Ontarians. And I want to underscore the historic investments it makes in long-term care. What happened in long-term care homes during this pandemic was decades in the making, after years of neglect and underfunding of this sector. And Budget 2021 is a major step forward for long-term care, with unprecedented investments. The previous government took nearly 10 years to build just 611 beds across this province, and that equates to about 1 bed per long-term care home. We are building 30,000. 30,000 safe, modern, comfortable spaces for our seniors to call home, and many of these spaces right here in Ottawa. And with this budget, Ontario is investing an additional $933 million for a total of $2.68 billion to make good on that commitment to build capacity and to repair and rebuild long-term care. We are investing $246 million to improve living conditions for residents in long-term care homes, including air conditioning. And this will ensure our loved ones live in comfort and with safety, dignity, and utmost respect. Last December, we committed to ensuring residents receive an average of 4 hours of direct care. So not only do we need to build the capacity that has been languishing for many years, but we need to address the staffing on an urgent basis. And this is an ambitious commitment that will make Ontario the leader in the country. To make this a reality, tens of thousands of new staff need to be hired to provide the care